So this is going to be the last row for us to be able to finish with one side of the back side. Okay, so now for us to be able to weave back, we are just going to take the thread that is facing outside, which is this, the one on my left hand side. Then we put one bead on it, okay, like this. Now we are coming to come out from this particular bead on the other side, so you just enter like this, okay, then you pull it out. Then you pick one bead again and you cross with it. Okay, so this is what you are going to get. I would like to show it once again. So as I said, this is the last row. Okay, this is the last row, then we are done with this side. So for us to continue or to be able to join this side to this side, just take your left fishing line, which is the thread that is facing outside, and put one bead on it, just one bead on it like this. Then use that same thread to come out from this particular bead, this particular bead. So I'll just use it to come out from here like this, as you can see. So it's coming out from here. Now I'll take one bead again to cross the two fishing line this way. Okay, so you realize that this side has joined to here and they are all completed. So to continue, use your right fishing line to come out from this side, okay, and now use your left fishing line to also enter this bead. So then you pick one bead to cross the two fishing line again. Enter with your right fishing line to one side, then you enter your left side with your left fishing line as well, like this. Okay, then you pick one bead, then you cross with the other fishing line, then you pull it. So you realize that this side is closing up, so you enter with your right fishing line to the right side, then your left fishing line to the left side, then you use one bead to cross this way, enter with your right fishing line to the right bead, and then left fishing line to the left bead. Now you use one bead to join it. So basically that's what you do till you get here, until you get to the last bead. So now here too is completed. So you realize that we are done with one side of the bag. So you just bring the thread together and tie a knot. So as I'm doing so, I'm bringing the two edges together. So you can just go further, but I will be tying enough and not just here. which is at this corner, the corner here. Okay, just make sure you pull it very hard. So that is the end of the side. So I'll go ahead and do this same thing we did here. I'll go ahead and do the same thing here, and I'll meet you to continue with you. So now I've gone ahead to weave the other side of the back. So this is one side and this is also one side, and as you can see, our back is coming out very beautifully and nice. So I'll just go ahead and end here and complete here. Okay, so let's go ahead and shape the bag. Okay, we are going to shape this side and also shape this side. So to do so, just take a new thread. Okay, take a new thread, not too long, and count. This is 7, and we are going to fold in these 3. Okay, so we are going to leave 2 at one edge and 2 at the other end, like this. So we are going to fold these 3 inside. So for us to be able to do so, when you take your new thread, just enter this particular bead, this bead, enter with one edge of the thread, like this. So it's come out from it, and now take the other edge of the thread and put one bead on it, like this. Okay, so since it's this thread that we are coming to fold inside, at the other side of the bag we are coming to bring our thread from it this way. Okay, so now we'll be having something like this. Okay, now take another bead like this, and then you cross with the other edge of the thread this way. Okay, then you pull it out, just let it be on it like this. So we are going to follow this lane. So this is the first one, second and third. We are coming to fold in this length. Okay, all at this side. So now I'll enter the next bead here, down here, and I'll also use the other fishing line, which is my left one, and also enter the next one under this particular one where we came out from first. Okay, then you come out like this. So now pick another bead again, put it on it, and cross with the other fishing line this way, then you pull it out. Okay, so just let it be on it. So for our last one, we are coming to enter from here, this particular bead, this one. They are all in line here, so just come out from the next with your right fishing line, and also from the next with your left fishing line. Bring all of them out. Now pick another one bead and cross this way. Okay. So now we are coming to pull out very hard, so just pull it in, as you can see. So as you can see, when I pull it very hard, it has all closed. Okay, so this is what we are getting. Okay, so now we are going to bring the thread together and make a knot, and that will be the end for this side. And I'll do the same thing at this side again. So let me just bring out the thread together. Just pull them very hard and make a knot. Okay, tight it very hard so that your shape will not lose. Okay, so that your shape will not lose. So go ahead and hide this thread inside and cut the excess off, and I'll go ahead and do the same thing at this side. I'll fold in here as well. Okay, so I'll do the same thing I did here at this side and I'll get back to